Oh my god. Oh my god. It's hailing. It's hailing so much. Oh my god, look at this. It's hailing like crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god, I hope a tree doesn't fall down. Oh my god. Oh my god, I hope that my house is alright. Oh my god, I hope my pine tree is still standing. Oh my god, look at the size of these hailstones! Look at the size of these things! Jesus Christ, wait. Look at this! Look at the size of that hailstone. That's almost the size of like half the size of a golf ball. Jesus Christ. No, look, we have a hail. We have a hailstone right here. Look at the size of it.
Wow. Wow.
Oh my god, I hope my pine tree back at my house is still standing. There goes the power. The power's gone. Oh no.
Crummo.
Oh my god. Are you okay, Maggie? Are you okay, puppy? Maggie, are you okay?
The sun's out.
The sun came out? Oh my god.
It's a sun shower.
Well,
look at this storm. Look at this.
The sun already came out? This means this could form a rainbow, right?
Yeah.
If the sun's over there, then that means...
Don't hurt her. She stepped on me. So? Was it her fault? Yes, it was.
What the heck?
Is this crazy?
Hey, let's go see if there's a rainbow outside.
Go. I want to see the film after.
I can't,
Yeah. Don't open the door.
Oh. No, wait, if the sun is shining, then that means... If the sun's shining over there, then that means the rainbow must be over here. Somewhere. But that was crazy. You saw that, right, Brandon?
Yeah.
Do you see a rainbow? I can't see through these blinds. Man, that was real scary. Nope, I can't see anything. I hope. God.
Ain't no more than that.
Ah, man, I hope nothing fell down. It should be. No, I don't see anything. Oh, man, that was really crazy.
I want to see the film. Shut it off.